Welcome, in this video I will explain the function keys on LENOVO V15. So the function keys are located in the top row of your keyboard, listed from F1 to F12. They have both primary and secondary functions, and to switch between primary and secondary functions of your function keys, you just have to press the combination of FN button and escape button at the same time. If the light indicator on your escape button is glowing, that means that these buttons will perform their primary functions, like calling the help menu in most applications with the F1 button, F5 for refreshing page, F11 for enabling full screen mode, and F12 for opening developer tools in browsers, etc. Basically, the primary functions are different for each application, but work exactly the same on each keyboard. Now, the secondary functions are enabled when the light indicator stops glowing on your escape button, in this case the F1 button will mute your system audio, the F2 button will decrease the system audio, the F3 system audio volume, the F3 will increase it, the F4 toggles your microphone, F5 decreases the brightness level, F6 increases it, F7 changes the projection mode on your computer, F8 enables airplane mode, F9 is to call customer support, F10 is to answer a call, F11 is to hang up on a call, F12 to open the calculator, and that's basically it. So I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.